we are SOMPA top 10 countdown. Week number 32 of the year 2026. And you might have born wa Ghana hapa. And I ya born modern yijima. You check baby. Sorry them. Ukamu radio so digital platforms no. You might streaming kesipa na ya compiling ni na anti account free 10 na dia ba wa anti already no mic account ya my name me ba be improvement aba ewo ebimu side any ebimu so drop it any dia kika ho anti ba be ebia last week ba bia na eda na ya didi nkoma na wo no won so to wa na ohwa say menyum we dia me de pa na me hwese nke be rem na ni nyina na ebe wie no na wa hu de anti a wo nyom no enrem ena enyum bi eda so ma hwese nke be film but eda so me surprise kakra ewa ha ma me nko mic nche mic ya dance so update yen ewe song position number 10 a new song was it Don't Come Too Close.
Before say a bet was
sorry yanko
before say a bet was no okay say last week okay say
check your mic no good
you see the muda ho okay say last week okay say nyum bi beda number 1 I know be ya di bi okay
mbacho debi
etiefo nyina be dia dance here say okay say biggest Nathaniel number 1 wo be sa e wo fidem ha okay
afi una wakai me
but nti me kind wakai
makai mbacho
nti bo hye no bende
ameye
ene obeye
mbacho
na no woka se wo wunim sapa wo be ba ha ye de kama be to so mo
na me stressa o say ebia ka wo ka say systematic to nyuma na ebia nka me ba asade
wo be sa asade ye pede ye ebo etim ko no obi ye se obi atre wa onim sa wo de ndi
metima roll me top no because person me feel okay
well if any you will not be exposed there we agree
only dance god Omasa no be when gentle dance ni bi ba be unia
kasa em from
o kasa de em from ya kasa so won from mom de we ba na ka mo si minja ya sana na
omesa say nti na me kai won ai today ni
won ma mi fa kwanya we so na me nda was say wa kai me
of course me kai wa
one kai me anka minti me then trip me other side of
talent
you know I think say good ipa and why
we say buy na me stress
me da se pa but
me so now me
da se me sapa
of course
me for na me time asade
we be nyame ma time
okay
and me me manage me stories ni bibia ye na
well ma me kaya tie for say we be update and e trending stories are Etrago or my position number 10 new song Don't Come Too Close okay so one Deco vibe Dark vibe and so can when assist if you joy a boy room and new song new in first time or the raise the money sanyomonum me boy na de mom there na de mom when Joey be okay so one was in pink za vibes no come on ko football pa na sa anyum we dream sa akode no be easy so
no be easy nyama yo
o sha we no be easy there na ya bopa
I think say no be easy no afene catch a trend more until hopefully me sure say by next 2 weeks be there a balance me nyama
Don't Come Too Close ya bopa okay so one the Joey be no verse no sister if you dem bopa
of course
enum ne me de pam go for the video e the ye nima bebre o media no so I think say o deserve the position number 10
of course
last week na oremu na one team number 8 and 9 na how long go bet me actual racing
well we say enum na ba elevate
okay
anti e mass e be kan ascending ascending order anti free to sa na gradually na efro
enum so timi the speed back na about the position number 7
and enum go so gradually ena enum na epuli yes it we see now last week no issues na that no
issues
we won every
I said no issues after race no
we free
enya won say bit master album
of course
enyum no de bit ma ba say enyum aye bonnet tipa enyum aye release way back obi ntino na say media isu obi betim de aye video na aye obi fe na obi so afa na wo wan e be raise them enti no issue afri mo no nkyerese enti me ma bi mba me ni me nisa agidi and say besa.
Oh, a bit to me about.
Well,
a bit to me about.
Position number 9 is stranger. Kwame Eugene Jackie. Last week, net that position number 9. This week, I'm maintaining the position.
Yeah.
A rare race no mono. Weeks no Marco 6 near. Stranger. Okay, next week me personally a banner or tenor.
Well, any one mom dear because soon say and also descend this gradually baby I never want to be about be drew no. I think say and who say time and now Kwame Eugene war that none do war baby and anticipate even though he's producing hit songs but it's not like before. And you know by next week na say about 10 and a free mumpa me personally dear and you cry.
And you might one this your Kofi Kinata Black Stars song still position number 8. This thing say it deserves to be at that position because Black Star songs the song mean time to say yeah but although go born there but still position number 8. Now can we expecting somewhere position number 10 or something.
Who said the sugar AM phantom one say sugar would the sugar good so now too concentrated so we bet dilute now here so be brave. They said no call pick down number 1 say be free one be here enough time gradually now area free to be done the media nyame because of here na e wo baby morning afternoon evening amount for be about you know I'm not surprised at all.
Okay Osha a free because okay so okay Popstar a bell match and signature ne give up and see na ba muja Black Stars in me ba Black Stars in the 9th week in here and I position number 8 which tells you say a baffom
last week never 5
position number 7 Babylon last week no position number 7 this week I'm maintaining
the baby
a rare race no no na 20 weeks near and also
me surprised because most of these Afrobeat songs no that Afrobeat artists they are no no due to TikTok trend need to me check and Kiddy for instance you will be as a to make catch attention so I'm not surprised at all say Eda so number 7
Black Sheriff position number 6 Popstar last week now maintain the position 15 weeks near who is saying?
Undoubtedly, Black Sheriff for the past few years, bare 4 or 5 years, our biggest artist, obviously not all time, but recent biggest artist, Medebema Black Sheriff.
Okay.
Or where the we are, or the Ghana Air Korea, the 90s, the yellow scrana anymore will be surprised.
Yeah.
And he as it stands now, he's only one song penny womb, you know, staying there up until now, no, and maintaining that position now, so no, I think say we deserve to
Popstar and Kasemu deserve because you're born your monopam. Wish I had a girlfriend. And you will see the controversies by last week now position number 8 this week about position number 5 as a Kosro okay a bar race no mono 3 weeks near kakra
a Kosro
the baby Kakalika with the position number 4 Dope Nation last week no position number 2 the deeper yellow as a baffom last week no position number 2 this week you know I drop ya by 4
or enum tiny the actual list numpa Kakalika 24 weeks ni. So you can imagine impact and what can for 24 solid weeks and yes still or the number 4 and it tells you the impact and make it.
A bit must spend about 30 weeks.
Of course a bit because baby that's one number 4 idea or see our film
gradually no a feed position number 3 near give up and see Kim Paluta Sako there. Last week now same position I maintain the position 11 weeks near and also Mamika TV was away SOMPA top 10 countdown already no Maka Dika Bobo so ama ya mamo nyumono the way na yedi hon komo last week now twibia na yede behind Friday bia no the update to the bebro we week number 32 of the year 2026 and countdown you say week number 33 ni you see 2026 mono your week number 33 money now week number 33 ni nyansi enya and the intimi mfa mu nsemo mbre unless say esi until last week in the na ya bro this week last week ni dey see dey be see bia ye hu and it is na etie position number 2 is signature Kiddy last mate last week no position number 4 improvement aba echo position number 2 11 weeks near Marco, who is saying?
I think
signature position number 2 this time. Last week, no position number 4.
One particular artist as it stands now who feature no onyum so obetimi ama attention pa ma man for ti last minute. And we say no just in the verse ne keke. Even though say Edwamansem kakra wum but we ne lyrics ne sene ti and I think say last minute is one particular person waboa amanum no etumi akọ because currently we most of these singers Afrobeat artists here mekan wasem here is leading the face as it stands now. So I think say his presence on the song I keep it the song in that position and I'm not surprised at all.
Whoa. The position number 1 and you might have born Ghana hapa.
Yeah.
Last mate, biggest Nathaniel. Last week, this week I'm maintaining the position.
Who's a Mekasimbi?
I got 14 minutes now. You can't offer hot bite, but Mesa, the TBA. Send me promises. This week, your banner maintaining the position. Mesa, and no more. Mesani yes kuku even one who
yes kuku okay kuku
asana me besa walo and then they both doing now yes kuku you can imagine the song
yeah
and you know gidi part meaning say keyboard organ any PC mo be say PDA.
Oh, don't worry.
Camera see.
Oh, say no cry beto.
Camera see.
Asani here you.
PC camera say ba ko cry say ya. Asem fufuro.
Don't worry, be purpose me dey. What's on there?
I will mess up. That floor here.
Yeah. Where come on.
Okay.
That you know say last 2 weeks me ka say me. Me say maintaining the position was through for 4 consecutive weeks at Enyamengwa. Where the 3rd time I done number 1. Yeah. So I'm not surprised even as at next week and that's number 1. I won't be surprised at all. But currently it's the biggest song in Ghana right now.
Okay, so there's some top 10 countdown. And the ABC or Hano Manafe, the trending stories are all on Mike G.